Hi, my name is Poppy and welcome to Eat These Words. Today we're going to be making quick pizza dough. This is how we make quick pizza dough. I am going to be putting 100 grams of this flour into the bowl. I'm using a spoon.
What is it?
I made a mess. We're going to be putting 100 grams of yogurt in with the same spoon. 90 and then I just need 10 grams more. Is that enough? Now we're going to be putting a pinch of salt. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to take it off the scale. So now we're going to be mixing it all together. So now we're just going to mix it up until it's in one big ball thingy-mabble. If you don't have enough like yogurt in it, you just need to add like a spoonful more until it comes together. Ew. So as you can see, my hands are a bit messy, so that might happen. Push down until all the flour's on it. It needs to be in one great big ball. So if it's feeling a bit dry after a while, put a bit of water, because as you can see it's all in one big ball. So this bit of your hand, press down on it so it can all stick together. You need to put the oven on the hottest setting and then put a tray. I recommend doing this tray, a baking tray. Just put it in the oven to heat up. While someone is putting in the tray to heat up in the oven, you sprinkle some flour on the table what you're baking on. And then after you have spreaded, you need to spread it because your pizza is going to get quite big. You take a little bit of flour in your hand and then just wipe it kind of thing, and it stops it sticking to the rolling pin. And then you cut your dough in half, and then you take one piece, press it down on flour surface, and then you just press down. Then you take your rolling pin, and then you just start rolling it out. After you have rolled one side, you need to flip it over because the other side would be nice and floury. Then you just roll the other side out, and then you keep doing that. So after you've rolled out your dough thing, you lift it and then put it onto some tin foil, because when you put it on the hot tray from the oven, you don't want to burn yourself because it hurts. I've done it before. So after you have got all the toppings that you want to put on top of the pizza ready, and then you squirt that much. So you can squirt how much you want, and then you got to spread it. It's hard.
Alright.
Perfect. So after you spreaded it, like the tomato, obviously put the lid back on. Get a little bit of cheese and then you just sprinkle it on. That is not. So after you sprinkle the cheese, you put some ham or whatever on it. Maybe spread it about a little bit because you don't want it to stick together. And then I like sausage on a pizza, so I'm going to put sausage. So then after you've done your toppings, you just might want to add a little bit of cheese if you like it. Yeah, and when you're happy, you're done with the toppings. If like a parent or whoever's cooking with you, or an adult or like a grown-up, maybe gets the tray out of the oven, because if you're a child you might burn yourself. So then you just slide the pizza on the tray and then you put it into the oven. Set a timer for 10 minutes. My pizza's ready. My pizza's ready. 10 minutes is up. Guys, when your pizza is ready, wash your hands before you eat it. This is my pizza, everyone. Guys.
Good?
Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked what I was doing or making, please like and subscribe.